Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Anna, and this podcast is produced by Etienne Newman, a professional engineer from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Today, we have an exciting slate of AI news to discuss. From major investments and groundbreaking technological advancements to the latest in healthcare and beyond, stay tuned for a comprehensive look at what's happening in the world of artificial intelligence. First up, there are rumors that tech giants Apple and Nvidia are looking to invest in OpenAI. This potential partnership could signify major innovation in the AI landscape. With Apple's user-centric approach to technology and Nvidia's leading-edge hardware, combined with OpenAI's pioneering research, the future of AI development could experience a significant acceleration. Imagine the fusion of advanced processing capabilities with sophisticated algorithms, enabling breakthroughs in various applications from smartphones to complex data analysis. This collaboration might just usher in a new era of intelligent systems and redefine what's possible in AI technology. Amazon has announced an exciting upgrade to its Alexa voice assistant. The new version will be powered by Claude AI. This collaboration promises to revolutionize how users interact with Alexa. Claude AI is known for its advanced natural language processing capabilities, which means Alexa will understand and respond to commands more accurately and contextually. Expect smoother conversations, more insightful responses, and an overall improved user experience. This integration could set a new standard for voice assistants, making daily tasks more intuitive and efficient than ever before. OpenAI and Anthropic have agreed to share their AI models with the U.S. government. This collaboration marks a significant step towards increased regulation and transparency in the AI sector. By providing access to their models, both companies are fostering a more open environment that allows for better governmental oversight. This move could pave the way for the development of standardized regulations that ensure the ethical use of AI technology. Additionally, it may build public trust in AI advancements by showing a willingness to be transparent and subject to external scrutiny. The implications are vast, potentially reshaping how AI technologies are governed and implemented in society. Google is developing AI technology capable of detecting signs of sickness by sound. Imagine being able to pick up on respiratory issues, heart conditions, or even certain infectious diseases just from a person's voice or the sounds they make. This could revolutionize early diagnosis in healthcare by enabling quicker, non-invasive screenings, especially in places with limited access to traditional medical resources. This technology represents a significant leap forward, potentially leading to earlier treatments and better outcomes for patients. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of AI in medicine. China's emerging AI scene has introduced a groundbreaking model called Qwen2, which is reportedly outperforming GPT-4. What sets Qwen2 apart from its predecessors? Analysts speculate that its success is due to a combination of enhanced algorithmic efficiency, advanced training data, and novel architectural innovations. The implications of such a leap in performance could shift the landscape of AI capabilities, unveiling new potentials and applications. This development highlights China's continual push to be at the forefront of global AI advancements. An AI startup has reached a significant milestone by managing a 100M token context. This essentially means that the AI can now process and understand a much larger amount of text at once, making its responses more coherent and contextually relevant. Such a capability allows for more detailed and sophisticated interactions, potentially revolutionizing various applications from customer service to content creation. This achievement marks a pivotal advancement in the scalability and utility of AI technologies. In an exciting development, AI has managed to create the video game Doom in real time. Utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms, researchers have trained an AI model to generate game levels and environments on the fly as a player progresses. This real-time creation leverages procedural generation techniques combined with neural network-based design to simulate complex game scenarios without pre-programmed maps. Not only does this showcase the AI's creative potential, but it also opens the door to dynamically generated game content, offering an ever-changing and unique experience for each player. This innovation could revolutionize the gaming industry, making static game designs a thing of the past. OpenAI has recently raised its valuation to a staggering $100 billion. This monumental achievement signals a significant milestone, not just for the company, but for the entire AI industry. It underscores the growing importance and potential of artificial intelligence in transforming various sectors, from healthcare to manufacturing. This new valuation is likely to attract more investment into AI research, spurring innovation and accelerating the development of cutting-edge technologies. As OpenAI continues to grow, we can expect a profound impact on both the market dynamics and the future trajectory of AI advancements. AI technology is now capable of spotting cancer earlier than ever. Imagine the profound impact this could have on patient outcomes. Early detection is key in treating cancer, often improving survival rates and reducing the need for aggressive treatments. With AI's precision, doctors can identify subtle signs that might be missed by the human eye, leading to quicker interventions and personalized care plans. This advancement doesn't just promise to save lives, but also to enhance the overall quality of medical diagnoses, ushering in a new era for healthcare. Nvidia recently showcased the challenges of maintaining its leadership in AI technology. One of the key insights shared was the intense competition from other tech giants and newer startups, which are rapidly innovating in the AI space. Nvidia highlighted the necessity for continuous investment in research and development to stay ahead. They also pointed out the increasing complexity and cost of developing cutting-edge AI hardware and software. Additionally, Nvidia emphasized the importance of strategic partnerships and collaborations to leverage diverse expertise and resources. These factors together underscore how demanding it is to remain at the forefront of AI innovation. Google researchers have turned heads by successfully running the classic video game Doom on a self-generating AI model. This fascinating development showcases the creative potential of artificial intelligence. Essentially, the AI model was able to generate the game's environment, enemies, and gameplay mechanics in real time. Such advancements push the boundaries of what AI can accomplish in the creative and entertainment sectors. From game design to immersive experiences, the possibilities are expanding rapidly, highlighting the ever-growing capabilities of AI in unexpected and exciting ways. The AI art platform Midjourney has announced its intention to enter the hardware space. This move has sparked considerable curiosity and excitement. As a platform known for its innovative approaches in creating striking visual art through AI, its venture into hardware could signify new possibilities for artists and creatives. We might expect new devices that enhance the creation and manipulation of digital art, offering more intuitive and seamless ways to interact with AI-generated visuals. This expansion could bring AI art tools directly into the hands of users, fostering more immersive and interactive artistic experiences. Several major websites have taken a stand against Apple's AI data scraping methods. Why is this a significant development? Well, data scraping by AI involves automatically extracting vast amounts of information from websites, which can then be used to train machine learning models. While this can lead to AI advancements, it also raises concerns about privacy, intellectual property rights, and consent. The pushback from these websites underscores the need for clear guidelines and regulations to balance innovation with ethical considerations. This move could set a precedent for how tech companies approach AI data gathering in the future. OpenAI is preparing something big with Project Strawberry. What could this cryptic project entail? While specific details remain under wraps, speculation is rampant within the AI community. This initiative could signal advancements in user interactions, innovative integrations, or maybe even a groundbreaking AI model. Given OpenAI's track record of pushing boundaries, Project Strawberry is sure to capture the industry's attention, sparking excitement and curiosity. Stay tuned as we keep a close watch on any developments coming from this intriguing endeavor. Google has recently unveiled a trio of innovative AI models, sparking excitement across the tech community. These new models promise significant advancements in processing speed, accuracy, and functionality. For instance, one model focuses on enhancing language comprehension, enabling more nuanced and context-aware conversations. Another model is designed to excel in predictive analytics, offering businesses deeper insights and more reliable forecasts. The third model boosts image and video processing capabilities, which could revolutionize everything from digital media to medical imaging. Together, these models represent a substantial leap forward, demonstrating Google's ongoing commitment to pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Google has introduced an exciting new tool designed to aid job seekers in their preparation, an AI-powered interview warm-up tool. This innovative technology leverages artificial intelligence to simulate real interview scenarios, providing a realistic practice environment for users. It analyzes your responses, offering personalized feedback on your answers, highlighting areas for improvement, and suggesting ways to enhance your performance. Moreover, it can pinpoint common interview pitfalls and provide strategies to navigate them. With this tool, job seekers can gain confidence, refine their skills, and increase their chances of success in the competitive job market. AI tools are now aiding in the early detection of dementia, and the benefits of this advancement are profound. By identifying early signs of cognitive decline, these AI systems can offer timely interventions that can significantly improve the quality of life for patients. Early detection allows for tailored treatment plans, potentially slowing disease progression and granting patients more years of active, fulfilling life. Additionally, families and caregivers can be better prepared, receive education, and access resources to manage the condition effectively. All these factors contribute to a more proactive and compassionate approach to dementia care. Google Meet's latest feature is a game changer for productivity, an AI-powered note-taking capability. This innovation ensures that no crucial point gets missed during meetings, allowing attendees to focus more on the discussion and less on scribbling notes. By automatically summarizing key points, action items, and decisions, this feature not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy in capturing details. It's a significant step forward in creating more efficient virtual meeting environments, making sure everyone stays on the same page with minimal effort. One of the most groundbreaking advancements in AI technology is the capability to 3D print lifelike human organs. This remarkable development opens a multitude of doors for medical science. Imagine the possibilities, from providing more accurate models for surgical planning to potentially reducing the wait times and challenges associated with organ transplants. With AI-driven precision, these 3D printed organs can mimic the intricate structures and functionalities of the real thing, offering a new realm of possibilities in personalized medicine and regenerative therapies. The future of healthcare could see a significant transformation as these technologies continue to evolve. Anthropic has recently pulled back the curtain on what makes Claude AI so effective. The secret sauce lies in its unique architecture, which emphasizes robust safety measures and scalability. By integrating advanced machine learning techniques with a framework designed to minimize harmful outputs, Claude AI ensures high performance while maintaining ethical standards. Additionally, its ability to adapt to various tasks seamlessly makes it a versatile tool in the AI landscape. This blend of safety and adaptability is setting new benchmarks in the field. OpenAI, Adobe, and Microsoft are advocating for the labeling of AI-generated content. But why is this important? The push for transparency ensures we can distinguish between human-created and AI-generated materials, fostering trust and accountability. As AI continues to evolve, labeling becomes crucial to protect intellectual property rights and combat misinformation. In an era where digital content can influence opinions and decisions, knowing the source of information is more vital than ever. AI is making significant strides in discovering new drugs. This cutting-edge technology accelerates the drug discovery process by analyzing vast data sets to pinpoint promising compounds more quickly than traditional methods. The potential impact on the pharmaceutical industry is profound. Shortened development timelines, reduced costs, and the ability to tackle previously challenging diseases with newfound precision. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to revolutionize the way we develop medications, bringing more effective treatments to market faster and improving patient outcomes across the globe. ChatGPT is teaming up with Arizona State University to enhance educational tools. This collaboration aims to integrate AI-driven insights into learning platforms, making study sessions more interactive and personalized. Students can look forward to more tailored feedback, automated grading systems, and real-time assistance during their studies. This partnership promises to elevate the educational experience by leveraging the power of AI to support student success and streamline the learning process. Automation is taking a significant leap forward with AI's newfound capability to plan more effectively without human intervention. This means we may soon see a shift in how tasks are managed and executed across various industries. From optimizing supply chains to autonomous vehicles navigating complex routes, AI's ability to self-plan enhances efficiency and reduces the need for constant human oversight. This technological advance could dramatically streamline operations, allowing humans to focus on more strategic and creative roles, ultimately accelerating innovation and productivity in numerous sectors. The Qwen2 AI model has seen remarkable improvements in its speed, accuracy, and transparency. These updates are significant because they address some of the key challenges in AI performance. Faster processing speeds mean quicker decision-making and data analysis, which is crucial for applications that require real-time responses. Enhanced accuracy ensures that the AI's predictions and recommendations are more reliable, which boosts confidence in its deployment in sensitive areas like healthcare and finance. Finally, increased transparency helps demystify the AI's decision-making process, making it easier for users to understand and trust the technology. Amazon is reportedly advising its sales force to trash-talk competitors like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. This bold strategy might create ripples in the market, spurring heated competition and driving innovation among these tech giants. However, it could also backfire by tarnishing Amazon's reputation and fostering a negative atmosphere in an industry that thrives on collaboration. Balancing aggressive sales tactics with professionalism will be key to seeing how this move plays out in the fast-evolving landscape of AI. Apple is rumored to be working on an AI personality to replace Siri on its robots. This new AI personality could introduce a suite of unique features tailored for more natural conversational interactions. Imagine an assistant that can not only carry out tasks seamlessly, but also engage users with dynamic emotional responses and contextual understanding. Such a development would push the boundaries of personalized user experience, making robots more intuitive and engaging as they assist in daily tasks. The implications for both consumer electronics and enterprise solutions are substantial, potentially setting a new standard in AI-human interactions. Chinese companies recently showcased 27 humanoid robots alongside Tesla's Optimus, creating quite a stir in the AI and robotics community. These humanoid robots aren't just impressive for their sheer number, they embody significant advancements in mobility, dexterity, and AI integration. Some of the innovations include improved facial recognition capabilities, more natural movement patterns, and enhanced interaction skills. These robots are designed to perform a variety of tasks, from simple household chores to complex industrial processes. The demonstration highlights China's rapid progress in robotics, positioning it as a formidable player in the global AI race. That's all for today's episode of AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Anna. Thanks for tuning in, and a big thank you to our producer, Etienne Numen. Stay curious, and until next time.